Good day, everyone. Today, I'm going to show you simple activity about friction. But first, have you ever wondered why things stop moving after some time? What slows them? This happens because of friction, a force that opposes motion. Today, we'll see how friction works using the toy car and other materials. The materials needed are a toy car, whiteboard as a ramp, a box, and a measuring tape. Here are my materials. Now, let's move on to the problem. Which surface will the car travel farthest? Next, hypothesis. The car travels farther and fastest on a smooth surface. This time, we're going to test the friction using the car and we will try to measure the distance on both smooth and rough surface. Now I'm going to show you a video of the toy car on smooth surface. First try. The distance here is 155 centimeter. Second try. The distance here is 160 centimeter. And the third try, the distance here is 159 centimeters. Now, I'm going to show you a video on the rough surface. I used a big cloth as a rough surface. First try. The distance here is 74 centimeters. Second try. The distance here is 70 centimeters. Third try. The distance here is 73 centimeters. Based on observation, the car traveled farther on a smooth surface than the rough surface. As you can see here, I have a table that has the distance or measurement on both smooth and rough surface. The car traveled 474 centimeters on smooth surface, and the car traveled two, 217 centimeters on rough surface. That's all. Thank you.